Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how to create our own views and how to see them. Okay. In the last video lecture, we saw how we can retrieve the definition of any view that have been created earlier. And we also understood the concept of views. So let us get started with the practical. So let us see the tables, show tables. So this query is going to return the list of all the tables. And we are going to select one of the tables. So let us select the address table to create our view. So select star from address. So if I execute this query, it is going to return a list of addresses. Now I just want to see address and postal code. So I'm going to write the base query for my view first. Select address, postal code from address, and this is going to return address as well as postal code. So we are going to create a view based on this, and it is very easy. Just use this syntax: create or replace view address view as, and it is going to create the required view. So in case the view with the same name already exists, then it is going to replace that definition. Now if I want to go ahead and see the definition of the view, I can just say show create view address view. So if I execute this, this is going to show us the definition of create view, the definition of address view. Now we can also see the data from the view by saying select star from address underscore view. Okay, so this is the data from address view. So that's how we can create any view. We can also add some condition to the view definition, and finally here we can say where postal code is not null. And if I execute this, this is going to create a view with this condition. So let me execute this, and here we have the records. Okay, so this is how we can create the views for the tables that are there in the database. So do let me know if you have any question, queries or comments related to this video lecture or the concepts that I have explained in this video lecture. Thanks a lot once again for watching my lecture, and I will see you next time.